Hi, I am at the Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge, and I've had a great time today. I have seen so many birds, more different types of species that I've never seen before, and then I've seen some regulars, which is really nice. It is an amazing place, and I hope you'll check out this video showing some of the highlights of my visit. And I've been photographing birds since before sunrise this morning, and I found a snowy egret, I believe is what it is out here, and some grebes, mama with baby and riding on her back, and a few other things which I'll include. This has just been a phenomenal nature experience. No cost, miles and miles and miles of just wildlife and birds. It's just been incredible. So here, take a look at a few of the pictures. Okay, I am at a little dam where they're controlling the water flow between certain bodies of water here, and I'm going to turn the camera around. This is the little dam that goes across the dirt road, and you can see the water rushing through from that side over there, and you probably can't see it as well on this, but there are fish that are easily 2 to 3 feet long trying to swim their way up across the dam. And who's waiting for them should they fail? But a host of pelicans are waiting for them, like with salivating beaks and hoping that they get a big, fat, juicy delight. So cool. You gotta love nature. I've been driving along this road right here, which is the tail end of the auto tour, and I was literally thinking to myself, I've seen so many birds I've never seen before today, but I have not seen the great blue heron. And within 5 seconds, there it was over on the other side of the bank. I got some pictures of him fishing, and then he decided to take off and fly away, and I think I got some shots of that. Hopefully you're seeing those as I'm describing this to you. Man, this place is absolutely pure heaven. I am just loving it.